When we think of decluttering, physical items come first to our mind. But same as physical items, digital clutter can cause us stress, can reduce productivity, and also take up a lot of time and effort to manage those stuff. Some of us spend even more time in the digital world than in the physical world. Like we work, we entertain, we study in our devices. So taking care of our digital space is absolutely as important as taking care of our physical space. Do you remember when was the last time you decluttered your digital space? Today I've got this Ribbon Decomp vibe. Do you like that? I've got a lot of work right now in front of me, to be honest, because I haven't decluttered my digital space for ages. And today I just want to go through all my stuff, like the majority of things that I do digitally, I want to organize. Let's have a look what I will have to declutter today. I got a list. So in my computer, I definitely need to understand what I'm gonna do with my Gmail 2 inboxes. There's a problem here because I definitely have some newsletters that I want to keep, but I have no idea how would I keep them. Just filtering out of that pile of junk that I have in my inbox. So also I want to keep the messages from YouTube and from AdSense. Also I need to declutter my desktop, my videos. I organized most of my videos, most of my footages, but I just need some finishing touches to make it look good. Google Drive, that's a big thing. Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Photos. Okay, then we'll go to our phone, to my phone, and there I have to declutter some apps I don't use, photos, Telegram Messenger. I got a lot of groups that I am a part of and I just have to quit, and my notes. My notes are pretty much my brain, actually. I keep everything, all my ideas in my Google Keep. But I really want to get rid of the things that I don't need there. So let's start with the computer. Okay, we will start with the email. For now, I can see the promo folder, and I think I totally can get rid of that. Habit tracking. I already read that, but no, I want to keep it. Ugh. Ты что-то съел? Муху съел. My cat just ate a fly. Alright. I just don't really want to go through every single email that I have and like consciously decide about every single email if I want to keep it or not. This is why it's a lot harder for me to realize how to organize this all, how to delete everything except what I need. I want to keep one newsletter from one of bloggers that I've been watching for like years and years and years. And I definitely want to keep that newsletter because it contains a lot of valuable information. But how could I extract those emails from all this big list? I don't know. Look what I found. You click on the button find similar emails, and this way I find like every single email from that newsletter that I love. So I will just get it out of the promos and get them to newsletters. Label newsletter for myself where I will store my newsletter all the time, and every time a new newsletter comes to my email box, I'll have to like click and put it to the newsletter label. I think this is gonna work out. This way I will not delete that all. No, even before starting I already understood that there will probably be something in particular that is important for me, but I will still delete it by accident. So I accepted this thought right before I started, because eventually it's just digital item, it's just a letter, it's just an article, it's just a photo, and I don't really think this is a big deal if I get rid of something important once. Eventually I really rarely look back at my old photos or my old things. It's been a few hours since I started filming, and that's because I spent probably 1 or 2 hours decluttering my inbox of one email because it was so big and I couldn't just find the button that says all conversations, so I kept deleting them by 50 items. But then I found that button that was perfect, but I still wanted to extract a few emails that I wanted to keep. Then I decided, screw it, I am going to delete everything. I was so pissed with that all decluttering overall that I decided to delete everything except the ones that I already labeled before. And it feels like I did not regret it. We will see later. And eventually I got my trash that we will now empty. 1,654 conversations have just been deleted, and I would feel sorry, you know. About an hour ago I would like, oh my god, I'm deleting it all, but now I'm done with that. We've got 78 emails here, and that's it. I also have another email box. I had there about 200 emails, so that's very solid, and now we've got 4. That's it. So we've cleaned our emails. I don't really have much time to finish. I remember one quote that says that time spent for work expands to the time allocated for this work. I give myself an hour, and we are moving to our desktop. I feel like I'm okay with the desktop, and I found a lot of nostalgic photos. A big tip here is not to get stuck on watching the old photos and videos of my little doggy. But to continue decluttering, why do you think I did a photo shoot to underpants? Oh, I even filmed a video. Okay, that looked weird. Anyway, I have to move to Google Docs and Google Sheets and then Google Photos.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
I finished with Google Docs. As you can see, I here now have nothing. No documents. In my another account I've got 6 documents, and this is amazing. Let's move on to the Google Sheets.
Good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
Okay, I finished with Google Sheets, Google Docs. I also need to go to Google Photos now. It seems like I will not go to the phone today. It's too difficult, like I've been doing this for so long. I'm pretty sure you're already tired of all that too.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons.
Woo! I did it! I decluttered my whole computer. I'm gonna cry. Just kidding. Okay, it's time to end. I'm not gonna tackle the phone today. It's gonna be the whole different video. If you want it, please let me know if you like this type of content. Let me know. Please hit the like button. I hope you enjoyed this decluttering motivation. If I did motivate you, because I'm really tired right now. If not, you can go ahead and check out other video which is about other organizational habits that organized people have and that might benefit you as well. And on the right as well, you will have the link to my Patreon page. If you would like to support me, I would be really happy to see you there. And Have a good day. Goodbye.